Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to create a game chat. Okay, so with your webcam on another switch. So I'm just going to use the existing webcam. So I need an adapter from USB to USB type C. So this one we need to attach on another switch console. See friends, it's attached. So okay. So now I'm going to attach it. Attached. Once attached, you can see camera is connected. Okay, also you can use the same mic. So you need to plug like this. So first we'll check the camera. Okay, first we will check the camera. You can see on top I have attached the cam. Now first I'm going to verify under settings, come to accessories, and here right, so test USB camera. Already have set the green screen, that also I'm going to explain. Okay, fine. So camera is set. Now what you need to do is, in order to create a web chat, so just tap this C, okay, tap C and go to your user ID, and here you can create a chat. Also you can check the settings. You can put on mute microphone when entering a chat sessions, and then go to create chat. So this guy is actually not in online, but I'm going to add him for tutorial purpose. So here I'm going to click on next and then start the chat. So that's it friends. Now both we can see each other, and we can see the gameplay as well. So the chat is successfully joined. Okay, you need to press C button to bring the settings or to log out. So I'm going to enable this camera. Wow, cool. And now in settings I'm going to use that. You can use expand main screen or expand full screen. If you select this full screen, right, your camera will be turned off. I'm going to make it standard, or you can just expand it and go to chat audio. You can put on mute. Okay, here you can adjust the game volume. Okay, first I will go to settings, go to camera video. I'm going to turn on the filter. That's it. Okay, or even I can put face only. See, face is automatically detected. Okay, no background. You can zoom. You can turn on the filter if you want. Going back, screen sharing. Till the screen is not shared, you need to enable it. Okay, now you can see the camera as well. And now go to settings. If you want to hide the home screen, right, that also you can hide it. If you enable, right, you can see the home screen is now you are able to see. But if you want to hide it, right, you need to hide it. Super cool, right? So that's it friends. Now you are able to see my camera. He will also be online with you, and you can play the game together. If you want to hide the home screen, that also you can hide it. Once the game is over, right, you can automatically log out by pressing the C button. Okay, press C button and then choose exit, leave the chat. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to my video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.